Hello guys! Hello and welcome to the Sofia Arena and to the biggest Moto show, Moto Expo in Bulgaria. This is the Sofia Moto Expo, and today I will walk you around the Expo area and I will show you most of the brands, not all, but most of the brands, and we will enjoy a lot of models. I have a follow-up video where I ride the Moto Guzzi Stelvio. There was a test ride, and yeah, please join me in this trip. First, we will start with a brand that is very interesting to me. This is the Husqvarna. They have a really unusual design of their motorcycles. I've never ridden one of these beasts, but I really like how they look, and they are really interesting with this semi-boxy, half retro design. I really like it. And the tourist variant, their Husqvarna Norden model, which is a rival to the Africa Twin. It's a really nice looking beast. One of my colleagues in America has this motorcycle and he's very fond of it, and they are not very expensive, around 30,000 leva, maybe 15,000 euro, and really nice look that I like a lot in person. I've never seen these bikes in person before, so yeah, enjoy it. Next we go to the Kawasaki booth, and this was my first motorcycle, a Kawasaki Ninja from 1988, and it was a fine motor, very good while it ran. This is I think the Kawasaki, the hybrid model, and this that I will show you just in a second. This is the E1 electric motorcycle with several speeds. I think it has 6-speed gearbox, and it's a bit slow motorcycle, not like the other gasoline Kawasaki's, but yeah, you get the picture. It's their first electric motorcycle. Actually, just left of the entrance of the venue, there is the Harley Davidson booth, and they have some fine long distance chopper here. This blue especially, I don't know what it's called, but it's a nice motorcycle, good looking, not so old looking like maybe some of you may think. I'm looking forward to ride one of these. I just want to see what the experience is. They are fine looking motorcycles. I mean, a lot of elderly gentlemen are riding these, but they try to appeal to the younger public as well. So this, especially this model, the Pan Am or Pan American, I don't know. Looks like the target audience for this is like the BMW GS series. Switching to Yamahas now. This is the second or first or maybe third, I don't know. There are 3 biggest manufacturers in Japan of motorcycles, and these are Honda, Yamaha and Suzuki. And Yamaha, they had a lot of scooters, especially this one. I really like it, maybe the only Yamaha model that I buy. This is the Neo scooter. It's electric, and it's pretty nice looking, very convenient motorcycle. Not motorcycle, but yeah, scooter, you get it. And they had a lot of other scooters as well as this maxi scooter. They sell a lot of maxi scooters recently, like Honda and other manufacturers. And this trike I don't know what the model is, but it looks legit, and for the city it will probably be very convenient and very easy to operate without the need to dump your legs on the ground on each stop. Look at this baby, look at it's so small. Look, my hand fits in his front tire. Yeah, I can't. I don't know if you can appreciate this motorcycle on video, but this was the prettiest motorbike on this expo, and I mean it. Yep, you're not mistaken. A lot of red means Ducati and Ducati and Ducati, and they are a lot of red. I don't know if it comes from Domati or tomato, but yeah, you get the picture. And this is the Diavel, the very bossy looking motorcycle, but it's nice. Yeah, they are nice in person, guys. I get why people buy them. And one of the most desirable Ducati models is the Scrambler. I really dig this model. It's pretty nice looking, like a retro naked bike with some off-road capabilities. And it's pretty nice with the colors, red, gray. I guess red and yellow means Royal Enfield, and these are motorcycles that had British origins but since several decades are manufactured in India, and they have really nice prices. The only thing that I know is they are really sturdy and really heavy. And this is their Himalayan model, which is a touring motorcycle with long travel suspension. That is something like the Honda Africa Twin, but way cheaper, like third of the price. From the cheapness of the Royal Enfields, we jump to the lush audacity of the Indians. It's an American brand, Harley Davidson like motorcycles, but yeah, I should not say that because some people like Harley Davidson, other people like Indians, and I don't have a stake in this war, but yeah, they look pretty nice. They look like Harleys to me. I don't know, maybe Harleys look like them. I don't know. They are nice and expensive. Maybe I'm not old enough to appreciate these motorcycles, but a lot of people seem to like them and ride them around. Yeah, tell me what you think in the comments. Will it be Harley or Indian? Suzuki. Suzuki is one of the 4 big Japanese motorcycle manufacturers: Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki and Kawasaki. I personally don't like Suzuki's too much. They have these funny design choices and appeal, but I have a friend who likes Suzuki's a lot. He used to own them and he was very fond of their history, MotoGP history, racing history. And just look at this. I don't know what model this Suzuki is, but the face, there's something in this face. Only mother can love it. Jumping back to Italia, this is the Benelli. Benelli were an Italian brand that used to manufacture really nice motorcycles, but they were bought by Geely International, which is a Chinese corporation that owns Volvo and some other brands. Benelli sells these affordable motorbikes, and one of my colleagues is pretty fond of them. He bought one and he drives it daily. And finally, we are at the biggest motorcycle manufacturer in the world. I don't know if this is a fact. Maybe in the time that you are watching this video, it's not a fact anymore. But yeah, Honda sells a lot of motorcycles, and in some countries, especially in Japan, they are known for motorcycles, not so much for their cars. But on their huge stand, they had a lot of scooters, like this X Adventure, which is very popular. And I don't know what this is, tell me in the comments, but X Adventure is a pretty nice motorcycle scooter. It's something like the Africa Twin motorcycle, but in scooter form. And here it is, the Honda Africa Twin. I used to own the Africa, the previous model. You can see my video of the Africa on my channel. It is quite popular actually, and it was an old but perfect motorcycle. But let's see what we have here. This is the Honda Grom, guys. It's the best motorcycle on this motor show, and it's really small, very convenient, and I love it. I'm thinking of buying one of these, and it's so cute. I have to hug it. There was a huge presence of BMW motorcycles, and I was really keen to know about this one. This is the CE02, I think, model. It's very similar actually to Honda Grom, but it's electric, and it's really nice looking, futuristic style, a bit retro model, but very futuristic as well. It's a bit underpowered and doesn't have a lot of range, but for a city commuter it will be okay. And I really like how it looks and it feels. There was also this scooter that looks a bit like a rival to the Honda X Adventure scooter with huge tires and long travel suspension. And there were a lot of scooters, particularly the other electric scooter from BMW is the CE04 motorcycle scooter. And it has a bit more range but is quite expensive, around 10,000 euros, so it's not on the affordable list, but it's a premium scooter, yeah. I like BMWs. I like how they look, and they have some very strange design decisions, but I like them. And this is the GS model, very popular for touring bikes. One of the most popular touring bikes out there. And then there is the R1000, the super sport model with these spoilers and wings with big holes in them. Another classic manufacturer from Italy is the Moto brand, and they are known for their radially mounted V-twin engines with huge capacity. I rode one of these models on the test ride, so be sure to subscribe to check out my test ride video. We stay in Italy to see the Vespas. Vespa is a well-known brand for scooters. Actually, they are iconic for their scooters. I don't think they manufacture motorcycles. They have all the scooters that you want and need, and especially this one that I tried. It seems okay. Maybe I will ride one of these. My wife wants one of these actually. Maybe I will buy her one day, I don't know. But it has to be white or baby blue. Still want some pasta and spaghetti, so stay with me while we check out the Aprilia stand, Aprilia booth. They have some pretty nice racing motorcycles. I don't know much about Aprilia, but a lot of people are fond of their bikes, and they have really nice colors. I was really fond of this Touareg model, Aprilia Touareg, which is something like Aprilia's take on the Africa Twin, and I tried it. It seems comfortable, but I didn't ride it. And finally we crossed the border from Italy to France to find a Peugeot, I don't know, Peugeot. And yeah, you may know this brand for cars mostly, but actually they manufacture a lot of scooters and even bicycles. So in Europe they are known for their scooters and bicycles, and they have a lot of legacy in that department. Actually, maybe their scooters are better than their cars, but it's a personal opinion. And on that bombshell, we are closing the Sofia Moto Expo. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, peace, and see you in the next one.